Hey everyone, and this is Loon. Yeah, in these tutorials, I'm going to show you guys on how you guys can change the favicon and change these minor things that almost many people they forget to change about it. And this is a favicon that means that you guys can see over here. There's the logos that is still with the systeme.io logos, and yeah, we are going to go through these steps, which is you guys can click on the main buttons, your profile over here, and click on the settings. And then after click on settings, choose on the custom domain. And click on when you choose on custom domains, you guys can see over here there's a favicon word, and just click on the choose file, and then upload the logos, upload the ebooks that you want to brand yourself, brand your company as well. And yeah, here we go. After you have done uploaded, and when you start to view your funnels, we are going to view our funnels, and you realize there's a change over here. Yeah, so guys, can you guys see the difference over here? Yeah, so I hope you guys learned it and start changing your favicon, and yeah, have fun.